Alright guys, time for an unboxing. Alright, so let's open it up. I am the only enthusiast to have this, and it's Silent Night, obviously. Yeah, let's just take a look at that. You see a W. That's all you'll see. Interesting. Well, guys, where's the... Oh. It's a wireless heat detector, Swift. Here it is. Looks pretty interesting, actually. Still gotta get a gateway for it. There's the, where you address it. The batteries are in here. I'll open that. Here's some manuals. Limitations. Let me open the battery box up. How do you open this? Oh. You idiot. Alright. Let's put these batteries in now. Feels like a toy, kind of. Okay, there it is. Remove paper before using. Okay, don't mind if I do. Positive. Oh wow, these things are dusty. Wonder if it'll start blinking. That'd be cool, right? Yeah. Oh yeah, there it is. Okay. I'm gonna put this last one in and see if it blinks. Oh, it blinked. You see that, guys? It blinked. Blinked again. That's so cool. Right now, this is all I'm gonna get because it's so expensive. Until I sell something to get the gateway, then it'll go on 6,700. Do not remove. Okay, let me put this on the base here quick. Oh, it's magnetic. That's cool. Okay, so now it's on the base. I wonder if it'll flash green. No, it's still red. Okay. Now let me get a magnet. I want to see something. Sorry for the messy desk, guys. Can't find it. Okay, alright. I doubt it's gonna do anything, but I still want to see. Oh, it's blinking fast now. That's cool. Did I just put it in address mode? Oh, I feel like an idiot now. I think I gotta power it down. Crap. I shouldn't have done that. Where's my screwdriver? Address one. Freak. Alright. Gotta take the batteries out. I don't want to screw with anything. Right? Because, like, I spent like $40 on this. Hey, what's. How's it getting power? Oh. No? There it goes. Okay, so I'll just keep one battery handy so it's not dying or anything. What? Did that just blink again? Or am I seeing stuff? How is it doing that? I just pulled the plug. Okay, let me pull that one. If this blinks again, I'm gonna scream. Oh my gosh. Alright, I'm gonna pull another one. There's no way. There's no way it stays on. Okay, alright, it's dying here. I know it. It's gotta be dying here. Okay, it died. Alright, that's really cool how it could stay alive on literally one battery. Yeah, it's really cool. Yeah. I have Swift now. So, look out for a home system. If I get enough devices, that is. Probably won't happen. So, right now it's just a demo. So, thanks for watching. See ya.